NU Bulldogs for beating the USD Growling Tigers 76-69. NU is now tied with Ateneo at 3-0. We have Coach Jeff Napa, Omar Chan, and Jake Figueroa. Coach Jeff, congratulations for this victory. What a clutch triple ni Jake nung last second. So, ano man sayo mo sa ginawa niya para makaluwag kayo nung bandang dun?
Thank you sa Gatorade. Yeah, look, number one, we're thankful for the Lord na binless kami, binigay sa amin itong game na to talaga. The players really work hard talaga na makuha to. So, paglabas ko dito sa UST, hindi na ako pwede mag-celebrate kasi we have a game on Saturday against contender then UP. So, we have to be ready by 7:30, by 9 o'clock in the evening right away against UP. So, we're thankful sa community, sa support, kasi malapit lang eh. So, kahit paano, nilakad lang namin. So, thank you sa community talaga. Oh, yun lang.
Thank you to Jake. You have 22 points including the triple in the final 38.2 seconds, 9 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 block, and plus 8. Siyempre, you're playing against yung UST crowd, so paano mo nagawa yung 3-point? And then siyempre kumakalag pa yung UST by that time.
Yun nga, sabi nga ni Coach na blessed kami ngayong araw, binigay sa amin panalo. And siguro, take advantage ko lang yung binigay na responsibility sa akin ni Coach na yun nga, baga, kailangan mo akuin. So ayun, kahit pa paano pumapasok.
Thank you. And to Omar, you have 10 points, 12 rebounds, 3 assists, 3 blocks, 2 steals. You have big responsibility of facing Collins. What can you say about that matchup?
As I said, I just stick on the game plan, and what Coach Jeff told me to do. Yeah, right now it's not about forcing, it's not about start. Like I have a mission. If he said me, oh, you have to stop this guy, I will do my best to do it. Yeah, and I'm ready for the challenge. So yeah, that's why I did what I have to do, and we have the W. So thank God.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, sabi mo last game, may plano kayo on how to stop Collins after the 2 impressive games at the end. 5 points, 8 rebounds. Was that game plan successfully done by your players?
Bahala na kayo mag-isip kung ano yung ginagawa namin eh. Pero I'm still happy for our guys na talagang they follow the game plan. They are disciplined to do it. The effort is there. Yun naman yung laging sinasabi sa kanila. Although marami kaming foul troubles, pero hindi naging hindrance yung pagiging foul trouble ng players to do whatever it takes para gawin yung game plan talaga namin. So, yun lang. I'm happy for the players. Binigay nila yung best nila. Kaya nga sabi ko, pag binigay nila yung best nila, yung effort na binigay nila, susuklian naman sila ng mga basketball gods. So, ngayon binigay sa kanila kasi nga, they put emphasis dun sa effort na kailangan gawin talaga. So, hindi yung para istapin si Collins eh. It's all about UST. How we will stop UST talaga. Ang problema nga kami kay Asido kay Cabanyero. So, hindi lang siya yung kailangan namin talagang stopin. So, it's all about UST, how we will stop the UST team. Kasi, we know naman how strong they are. So, yun lang. It's a matter of preparation and understanding ng mga players kung paano gagawin yung mga bagay na pinapagawa sa kanila.
But for you, Coach, this victory, in a way, statement na kailangan na rin talagang bantayan ng NU?
Hindi naman eh. Hindi naman ito yung statement win talaga. Sa matter lang talaga na yung Ano ba yun? Kasi nga galing kami sa awful season, last season, di ba? So kahit pa paano, eager yung mga players talaga na to prove something, na makabalik. Pero siyempre, yun nga yung sinasabi ko sa kanila, hindi tayo i-bless ng mga basketball gods kung hindi tayo magtatrabaho talaga. It's all about effort talaga sa amin ngayon. So, at least, itong number 3 wins namin, tinabaho ng mga players. Pero, yun nga, hanggang 9 o'clock lang kami to celebrate. Kasi meron kaming game against Saturday, against UP. So, we need to prepare right away. We need to shift our focus against UP right away. So, this is W. Thank you. Bless kami. Pero, yun nga, we have to move on. We have to move forward right away.
Coach, dun sa tatlong laro, yung first two ninyo, kahit pa paano, ng bandang dulo, nakakapagbalasan na ng tao, medyo nakakain na maluwag. Ito, umabot talaga ang dulo para ma-decide. Can you just talk about yung character and also yung composure ng team? Lalo na, given the circumstances, sa home court kayo nakalaman.
Yung character kasi, hindi ko na para questionin sa mga bata, sa mga players ko. Especially this guy, he changed a lot. So, thankful kami talaga na yung pagbabago niya for the better. As a player, as a person, so nagbe-benefit talaga yung team. Maybe he's matured enough to understand everything. Now he settled down. Then her teammates really support him well. Siguro yun yung magandang nangyayari. In return, give and take sa kanila. They trust each other na kahit anong mangyari, no one will left behind, kumbaga.
Omar, is your thoughts on what Coach Jeff just said about
I just wanna thank him because he still trusts me, right? Although
Plastic?
although last two seasons I play like I have a lot of tantrums, right? But it's not about my attitude. I just wanna win because I trust them. I just wanna win. That's I have a winner mindset. But now I understand. I have to win. I have to put aside my tantrum, my ego, and just stick on the game plan and support my teammates.
And Jake, ano lang din, yung brand ng basketball na lalaro nyo, lahat makaka-shoot, lahat makaka-rebound, lahat makaka-assist. Pero nung pagdating sa dulo, kumbaga, ikaw na yung tumira ng deciding shot. So, you can just talk about yung trust din siguro na binibigyan ni Coach Jeff and ng teammates na para sa mga ganong klaseng situation. Ikaw na yung...
Yun nga, sobrang laking tiwala ni Coach Jeff. Kahit pa paano, binibigyan niya yung mga responsibilidad na parang kahit na tagilid, yun, bibigyan niya pa rin responsibilidad na yun. Kasi bilang kailangan mo maging leader sa loob ng court. And yun nga, kahit pa paano si Omar, no, na ano naman namin, na approach namin na maayos dahil yun nga. Kasi ngayon nagbago na siya, kumbaga hindi na siya yung puro tantrums ng mga past season. So ayun.
What can you say about si Jake? Is the top scorer ng team yun itong first 3 games, and then how laki nang in-improve niya sa laro, ano man sa
Alam niyo na yun eh. Binild ko naman siya na ganyan eh. Yan naman yung pangako ko sa kanya since na nag-usap kami nung pandemic eh. Nung kinuha ko siya talaga from Pampanga. Nung nag-usap talaga kami. Yun naman yung inano ko sa kanya na kung ano yung man yung na-achieve niya ngayon, sa kanya yun, tinabaho niya yun. Kumbaga, ginaid lang naman siya talaga eh. As coaches, hindi lang ako. Marami kami, especially Coach Shot, Coach Glenn, Coach Vic, Coach Leo, tapos yung mga batang coaches, Coach MC, Coach Kevin, Coach Sed, hindi mo ba nakalimutan ko, Coach Denok, yung bago sa amin. Everybody contribute for the better of the players talaga eh. So, at least, blessed ako, yun nga, napapalibutan ako ng very experienced coach and a young one coach na yung approach na ko-complement sa lahat. At the same time, hindi lang naman siya talaga na ngayon nagbe-benefit eh. So, happy lang talaga. Siyempre, yun nga, masaya ako na yung transform ng bata ni Jake, kung ano yung itsura niya, na every year nag-i-improve. So, happy ako, even Omar, at least, nakakatulong kami sa mga players namin to become a better player and a better person.
And of course, siyempre, last year, yun nga maganda yung naging season nyo. Nag-step up talaga after 3 games. So, ano masahin para masundian mo yung mga effort na ginagawa ng coaching staff and to bring back and to final four and hopefully mag-finals kayo.
Yun nga, sobrang hirap talaga nung walang FSA kasi ngayon kasi, kumbaga, pag mangyari ulit yun, kumbaga, pinapera kami ni Coach Jeff na mag-all Filipino, no, kahit pa paano nakakasabay kami. So, syempre, kahit sino naman, gusto naman siguro makapunta sa championship. So, yun nga, kada game, importante sa amin.
Coach, huli na lang. Yung dynamics nyo, magkalaban
Dynamics.
today, pero pagdating ng PBA, magkasama kayo ni Coach Pito.
Hindi, ano naman eh. Ang problema yun pagdating to sa pro. Alam naman ni Coach Pito kung paano ako magtrabaho. Even si Boss Wyatt. Napunta ako sa bagong team. Hindi naman team yung pinag-uusapan doon eh. Kung paano ako magtrabaho eh. So, siguro kaya ako napunta doon. May rason kung bakit nandun ako talaga. Then they understand how dedicated talaga to put into work. So, sana maabutan ko itong mga to once they entering the draft para hindi na ako mahirapan, kumbaga. Pero, cross fingers pa yun. Pero yun nga, I'm thankful na dito sa UAP, opponent ko sila, pagdating dun sa taas, sila yung masasandalan ko. Alam ko na gagabayan ako kahit, siyempre, minsan nagkakamali pa rin ako. Bata pa rin naman ako. Mukha lang ako matanda. So, bless ako dahil natutulungan pa rin nila ako kahit na ganito ako. Hindi sila madamot, natulungan talaga ako.
Congratulations, Coach Jeff, Omar, and Jake.
Thank you.